Okay, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is good.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Am I audible and visible enough?
Yes, yes.
Good morning, sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
you're audible.
since it's first day class today, so let me introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Sulabh. Uh, I have total around 13 years experience in cybersecurity. It's been almost 8 years since I'm delivering this training. I have trained more than 15,000 people so far, like you. I used to deliver many corporate trainings. I have delivered trainings to many companies. But since 2019, I stopped delivering to training to corporate because I'm too much occupied nowadays in our own institution-based trainings. My last assignment was Airport Authority of Bahrain. I delivered an on-site training. For uh, 4 years, I was the authorized trainer for ArcSight across the Asia region. I was the one. The one rule for this training is I have not muted anyone during this training because I have given freedom to you to ask the question. I have given freedom to you to ask the question any point of time whenever you have the question. So that's the reason I have not muted anyone, but you have to ensure that you have to keep your mic on mute. Whenever you have question, you can unmute your mic and ask the question, but you have to ensure that you have to keep your mic on mute until unless you don't have question. Once you're done with your question, you can keep your mic on mute. Okay, and make sure that when I'm explaining some concept, during the concept, you don't stop me in between. When I'm done with something, I will take a little pause. Then you can ask the question. When I'm in the flow, I'm explaining some concept, something, do not interrupt me in between because maybe will be diverted from the topic or I may forget what I'm explaining, right? So the right way of asking the question is when I'm done with something, I'll take a pause, then you have freedom to ask the question. Fine, right? So that is the reason I never mute anybody during the session. But sometimes we have to mute them forcefully if you do not mute yourself. So make sure that you mute until unless you keep your mic unmuted until unless you don't have question. Okay, so let me continue that. So I was telling that I was the authorized trainer from Micro Focus ArcSight from vendor itself for 4 years. I used to deliver the training for ArcSight for whole Asia region. If you see, it's been 8 years now since cybersecurity. I mean, you see the boom started since 2014-15. I see myself previously 2014 and before. You see, people used to know network security, not cyber security much. When we started our career, we used to know network security. 2014 onward, people started calling cyber security, and same SIM and every other cyber security tool came in the picture and started booming. So what happens is, क्या बोल रहा था मैं? So so since then 2014-15 I started delivering the training. So since then I have trained more than 15,000 people. If I go to any company, I'm telling you, any company, any project, I find my people. If any project I go, if I'll see a lot of people which have been trained by me for any project, any company, 4 5 people, any project you will find, which is my trainings. Many managers which have been trained by me because it's been almost 8 years. People are managers. So you are not learning here from someone who is just a trainer, who just have theoretical knowledge. You're learning from someone who has the practical knowledge, who have practical experience, who just not started with management, but who I have started with operations analyst, implementation, solution architecting, whole designing means starting with analysis operations job, with implementation solution architect means designing the whole SOC solution. So I'm someone coming with the whole experience, end-to-end experience in designing, solutioning, implementation, operations, right? So I'm going to share you all my knowledge. See, I have not designed this training only to get you the job. This training is not been designed to get you a job only. This training I have designed you to make you confident in cybersecurity for your whole life, not only just to get the job. Means after this training, you will be so much of confident, not just to crack the interview. Your fundamental, your concept, your base is going to be so strong. Means we are not focusing you, okay, we'll deliver the training so that you will crack the interview. No. You will see there are so many things we are going to discuss here. We are going to go very deep down, which is not required for now from your perspective to get the job, to crack the interview. So many things very deep down we are going to discuss here, so that it is going to help you when you are working in the company, when you grow further in your cybersecurity career, so that you can stand out from the crowd within the company, within the market. You'll be different. That is how we have designed this training. That means I'm not discussing about particular things. I'm discussing about here so that your full concept would be clear within cybersecurity. So our one objective, of course, is to make sure that you are ready for the job. Means you should be able to crack the interview. That is, of course, one objective. Another objective for us is to clear your concept, to make you expert. Another objective is to make you, kind of expert. I can't say that in 3 months of the training, I will make you completely expert, but I can say that I will clear your full concept. Means your full funda would be clear. Full path would be clear. Now you'll be full of confidence. Your fundamental will be clear. You'll be able to speak to anyone, in front of anyone, with full of confidence. I see people work for many years, but they are not very confident because their base is not clear. You understand, right? There is a big tower, big building. If their base is not clear, it can be demolished anytime. But here your base is going to become very strong. And further, once you grow in your life also, you understand the base, your concept will be clear. So by understanding that we have people coming from different background. See, this batch, especially SOC batch, is of mixed of people coming from different background. Some people are not at all technical. Some people are BA, BCom also. Some of you people are BCom, BA. Some people are technical, like engineering background, but not from not from computer science, mechanical, civil, electrical, non IT background, working in production, and some. So these are some kind of people. Some people are even pharmaceutical background, right? Means different background. Some people are working in IT, but different field of IT, not in cybersecurity. Some people are networking background. Some people are there in cybersecurity also in the same training. They want to enhance their knowledge, enhance their experience in cybersecurity. So we have people from mixed background here, diverse background. So we have designed this training in such a way so that everybody coming from different background would be on the same page. So we'll start in such a way so that at some point of time, after starting at some point of time, we'll take everybody on the same page, then we'll take it further for the advanced concept. So considering this diverse background people, will start this training from scratch, from basics of networking. Even people who are coming from the higher background, network security background, cyber security background, I'm going to tell you that those classes are going to be very much useful for you. Initial classes will be on basic networking security concept. Maybe possible that because I have uploaded those sessions already on YouTube, right? So if you have watched it already on YouTube, that is well and good. But ideally, I revise those classes again, because somebody who has newly joined this class, who has not watched those classes on the YouTube, to make some rhythm, instead of install and directly starting from the core topics of cybersecurity. Still, I give some time of 2 weeks to cover the fundamentals of networking and security concept. Understand? So we'll be starting from basics of networking and security, which are the very, very important, right? So for 2 weeks, we'll be covering almost 2 weeks. Almost 8 to 9 classes will be on basics of networking and security. Then we'll move further. Understand? So I hope everything is clear, right? What I have said to you. So what happens is, I have done the major changes first time in this batch. Let me explain you. If everybody is agree, we'll implement it. What I have planned it previously, I know, of course, everybody should be agreed what I'm saying it here, that because that is for you only, the what kind of changes that we have done here. Some people may not be even understanding and may not be able to share their concurrence whether what we should select. But let me tell you that previous batch, past batch and before, since last batches, what we used to cover in the SOC training, the core topics were SIM tools, and we used to cover 2 SIM tools, ArcSight plus Splunk. ArcSight plus Splunk, 2 SIM tool were the core topics in our SOC. Apart from that, there are so many things: incident response, phishing email analysis, so many other topics within those. But the core tools were these tools, right? Both are SIM tool. As of now, you do not know what is SIM and everything, but especially people who have understanding, to them I'm explaining you right now. To them I'm explaining right now. So these are SIM tools. Both are SIM tool, right? These SIM tool in the sense like you have bike. Let's say I was teaching people how to drive Honda City car, as well as I used to train you how to drive Maruti Baleno. Means I used to train you how to drive 2 cars. Means technology is same car only, but I used to train how to drive 2 different cars. But you understand, if you can drive one car, you can drive other car also. Yes or no? Even companies also understand, if you work on one SIM tool, you can work on other SIM tool also, if they can give little training, or you can learn yourself. Yes or no? So going with the 2 SIM tool is time taking also, and not much worthy also. And second thing is, ArcSight was the leader in the market for concurrently 15 years, till 2015. It was one of the oldest tool in the market and leader in the market since 2000 to 2015 in the cybersecurity market, network security market. But 2019 where a lot of changes happen of the ownership of ArcSight, and resulting the graph has been started declined. Declination started of ArcSight, right? Resulting the implementation of ArcSight tool has been started reducing. Now the demand of the ArcSight has been reduced drastically. Understand? That's the reason we have taken the decision why to learn something which is less in demand in the market, right? So after long year, we have decided to remove this tool from our training portfolio. And instead, we are introducing next generation SOC tool, which is highly in demand in the market. So instead of covering 2 SIM tool, what we are planning is we'll cover a Splunk SIM, Splunk Enterprise plus Splunk Enterprise Security, plus first time we have separate training for that tool. but now we are including in the SOC. We are planning to include CrowdStrike EDR in this trading. CrowdStrike EDR, endpoint detection response. CrowdStrike endpoint detection response EDR. That is a EDR, like Splunk is a SIM, SIEM. Right now, you don't know. Right now, 80% people are new here, but I'm just telling to the 20% people who know it already. So, like Splunk is a SIM, CrowdStrike is a EDR tool, right? That means we'll cover SIM plus EDR. Instead of covering same technology, right? We'll covering two different technologies, SIM and EDR, right? EDR is one of the leader in the market. CrowdStrike is one of the leader. Like Splunk is one of the leader in the market. Gartner report is Splunk is in top leader in the market, right? Similarly, CrowdStrike is a leader in the market as per the Gartner report in cybersecurity. CrowdStrike is the leader in the market. So, and in India, SimXpert is the only institution who has the enterprise level of license for the CrowdStrike. Similarly, in the Splunk also, Splunk Enterprise Security, we are the only institution who cover Splunk Enterprise Security also along with the hands-on lab access, because both are the licensed product. Splunk Enterprise is freely available, but Splunk Enterprise Security for SIM perspective is licensed product, which we cover here. 90% people might not be understanding, but I'm just giving the information. So you need not to worry about it. We have selected a better for you. Okay. So if anybody has any concern, you can share your concurrence. So we have done a right for you, because there is no sense of learning something which is having less demand in the market, right? Which is not useful in the market, isn't it? That's the reason we have done the changes on the content this time to introduce something which is having the demand in the market, which is useful in the market.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Sulabh. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Sir, Akash this side. Sir, you were covering the basics of the ArcSight, like connector, logger, and those all things.
नहीं,
Basic we cover.
नहीं ArcSight तो touch नहीं करेंगे ना. Will not touch in ArcSight.
Okay.
ArcSight anymore.
Okay.
That's what we have discussed. Instead, we'll deep dive Splunk.
Okay.
What we used to do is we used to deep dive ArcSight first tool. Then we used to cover Splunk. So deep dive more we used to do for ArcSight, and then less coverage on the Splunk. Now we'll do the more coverage in the Splunk instead of covering ArcSight. Get it? Because Splunk is highly demanding. If you become expert in the Splunk, sky is the limit. Okay, got it?
Sulabh, hello.
Yes. Go ahead.
But ArcSight is the base, right? First, that is the reason. If we have the basic something.
What?
Something.
Come again.
ArcSight is the base, right? First, ArcSight is came for the industry, I think so.
ArcSight is the?
Yes, right. For the industry, first launched is ArcSight. The tool is ArcSight. Right?
Your voice is not audible enough.
Okay, I will check.
ArcSight, you can ping, someone can read. You can send your message in chat.
Sulabh, what is he asking? ArcSight is the basic fundamental for the cyber security. As you mentioned, it was a leader in 15 years. So what will be covering some of the parts for the ArcSight in this training?
Not required. It's not a fundamental technology. For example, you know Nokia, right? Nokia mobile. Nokia and Samsung, it's a kind of Nokia mobile. Nokia mobile has not done the upgrades. What happened with the Nokia? Nokia was one of the best mobile, right? But they refused to upgrade themselves with the technology. Android came and Nokia were still with the Windows operating system. They refused to upgrade themselves with the Android. Android was the demand in the market. Yes or no? Market was demanding to go with the Android, but Nokia said, no, we will go with the Windows. We'll go with the Windows. What happened? The Nokia is out of the market. The concept is same, right? Now Samsung is still in the market because they went with Android. Yes or no? So is it required to go with the Nokia? No. The concept remains same. The concept will run the Splunk. Not at all required with the Arc. That is what I'm saying. We used to learn ArcSight. See, I'm saying ArcSight also will get the job. That is what we used to do. That is how people used to get the job. Because how people used to get the job? Using SIM concept. It is not something that all people used to get the job in the ArcSight only. They used to get the job with SIM concept. I'm not saying that ArcSight there is no job. ArcSight there are jobs, less jobs in the market. Majority of people used to get the job with the SIM concept. Means you know how to drive the car. People used to ask, do you know how to drive? Okay, then we'll take you. They were not having, do you know how to drive Honda City car? That's a difference. Means they understand because SIM concept remains same. Either you work on Splunk, QRadar, or Sentinel, or ArcSight, right? Understand? We have still license. You understand? 8 months is remaining for our license. We paid 21 lakh rupees for a year. Still 8 months is remaining. 4 months just gone. Still 8 month remaining license we have. Still we have depreciate. We thought to depreciate it for this batch onwards because I don't want to teach here someone, train here someone which does not have demand in the market, isn't it? We also has to upgrade ourselves. If you train you in such a way, some old technologies which does not have demand in the market, the wrong message will go on the market that we still not upgrade ourselves. Same thing happen in the IT. If you are in the IT, you can't stick with the same technology. That's the difference between the government job and IT job. That's the reason people say the IT job are not safe job. Go with the government job. But yeah, government job, that once you get it, you can survive your whole life. But that's the difference in the IT job. IT means continuous learning. Yes or no? Technology will come and go. And technology will have to be upgraded. You bought your bike last year. Now new year, new version introduced. Why they are upgrading themselves? Why they are continuous development team? Isn't it? Otherwise, they develop one model. They should stop their team, all development team. Yes or no? They already developed one model. Still their development team, one model launch. Still parallelly, even before launching also, their development team, designing team started designing another model. Don't believe that. Isn't it? Technology gets changed. So that is the meaning of IT. Means IT means we have to upgrade ourselves. We have to upgrade our skill. If you are not upgrading yourself, your skills will be out of market. That's the reason people think, okay, IT job are not secure. But yeah, IT job is not, of course, it's not secure. It is not secure for someone who is not upgrading themselves, who is not upgrading their skills, who are not learning. People who are learning, who are upgrading their knowledge, upgrading their skills, IT job is one of the secure job and one of the best job, one of the fastest growing job. But people who are not learning, who don't want to learn, who are lazy, it is the worst job for them. They'll be out of the market when the recession will come. Of course, it's old technology, old people who don't have knowledge, current technology will be out of market when the technology goes. Some people are asking me, okay, we are learning Splunk. How many years we can work on this tool? Yeah, I can't commit. Nobody can commit. Yes or no? Because in the Splunk also, if you work, any tool you will work, some upgrade will happen. Tool, GUI will get changed. Many things, many functions will get changed. And there might be possible that, like ArcSight is going from the market, Splunk will also go from the market. Something new thing will become. But the only thing is, you will not go out of the market because the company on which you are working, right? You'll get to know, you'll learn new things. But the thing is, you have to grab the opportunity. You have to absorb the things. You have to keep learning. It's not something that you are not learning. You are not open to learn. Your bucket should be open all the times. That's in IT, your learning, your earning is directly proportional to your earning. That means your growth. That is IT. Means your mind should work all the time. Isn't it? Understand? That's the reason we have done this kind of big change in this syllabus. Got it? We also have to upgrade ourselves. Otherwise, we also go out of the market. If you are training you something which is not having demand, which is out of the market, right? You don't know. If we don't upgrade our content, upgrade our syllabus, and training you, because 90% people are, you do not know what is good, what is not good, because you just know SIM expert. Okay, people are getting the job, you join this training. We can finish our training, but training you same thing. Yes or no? But if you don't get the job, we will not get people, isn't it? So we cannot train you something which does not have demand, because someone has told, right? Don't burn your opportunity for the temporary comfort. This is not a one-time opportunity, right? It's a ongoing process. So we have to also upgrade ourselves. We have to also upgrade our content to ensure that we are meeting the requirement of the market. Isn't it? Yes or no? Same enthusiasm you should also have if you are joining the IT now. Means your learning destination is not completed. Your learning path is not completed. IT is continuous learning. Got it? Agreed?
Sulabh, one thing is there.
Yes. Tell me.
So during the sessions, will you be pointing out to the, what were the, lacks in the ArcSight, so it got, degraded in the market, or it's absolute?
See, ArcSight, we will not at all touch ArcSight now. We still have lab we have given to previous batch people. In your batch, we will not at all touch ArcSight. If you guys want me to ArcSight, then I will remove this and we'll continue with this. I don't have any problem. The only thing is, I wanted you to go with the latest technology. Get in mind, I don't have any problem. Anyways, ये तो रट आया है. Something new that we are introducing. Since I am teaching this since last 8 years, this is the first time that I'm, escaping this one and introducing something new. Okay, because see what happens is something that we 3.5 months, right? We put a lot of effort. So I want you to put effort in the right direction, the right thing. Yes or no? Not something which is not very useful. Understand? Clear? Clear?
Yes,
Everybody? Why I'm asking you? Why I'm asking you? Because while taking the admissions, we have shared this syllabus to you. That reason I'm taking your concurrence. You should not say that, okay, Sulabh, you have shared this syllabus, but you are saying I'm covering this one. That's the reason I'm taking your concurrence. Because we have done these changes after sharing the syllabus to you. This syllabus to you. Otherwise, I would hope, I understand this is the best. I understand this is the best. But still, I'm taking your concurrence. I have taken your concurrence because I am making these changes after taking your admissions. Isn't it? But I know that it is the best, but still. Okay, got it? Clear?
Hi, Sulabh.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It is a great move. I can accept for that, but I need to get to know that Splunk is a source platform or X-source platform. Just for the confusion,
Splunk?
is a SOAR or X-source?
No, Splunk is SIM. Splunk SOAR is different module. We'll cover it here. What is Splunk? Splunk is data analytics, Splunk is SIM, Splunk is SOAR. There are different modules. So here we'll cover Splunk SIM. Okay, clear?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you for sharing your concurrence. So this is the first day class. Mostly we have scheduled for introduction because we should know each other. You now know about me, and I should also know about you, and we should know about each other, right? So it's an introduction session for everybody. So now we'll start with first person. You have to tell your name, your educational background, your experience, and your current location. Okay, and Monday onwards, we'll start with the actual topic. So this class will be 4 days in a week. Ideally, it will be Monday to Thursday. Monday, ideally it is Monday, 4 days in a week, definitely 4 days in a week, Monday to Thursday. But it can be sometime Friday and one day, any other day. I have certain issues, some medical issues. Mostly I have some migraine problem. So certain time you may expect it. Certain time you may expect, late message. Maybe I may get up and I may feel some headache. So if I get up and feel headache, it will take another 2 hours for me to get relaxed after taking tablets. So that time, we may not be able to join. So 4 day definitely will take the class, but that's the reason I have taken 1 day room, because Saturday, Sunday we have different batch, weekend batch, right, in the morning. So that's the reason 4 days in a week, but 1 day, any day. And since I'm occupied in Saturday, Sunday also, so sometime if I don't have headache also, I may have some personal work. So in that case, some personal work, I will inform you in advance. Clear, right? So 4 days, ideally it is Monday to Thursday, but sometime we may take, if we have taken it Tuesday, then we'll go with the till Friday. Understand? Clear? Saturday and Sunday will have off. 3 days off, 4 days class. Ideally, the duration will be 3 months, but you should ready for between 3 to 3.5 months. 3.5 months, the time we have given, but the course duration is 3 months. But 3 months means 2 weeks. We have taken buffer time, some time for different issues, some new topic we have introduced, right? So we have taken the 2 weeks as buffer time. Okay. So the only thing you have to do is you have to dedicate yourself for 3 months, 3 to 4 months. What I'm explaining you here, you have to do the practice, and what homework I'm giving to you, you have to complete the homework on time. If you're not completing the homework on time, you're not practicing and completing the task on time, then you will do the reverse engineering. You'll have to do the reverse engineering. That means once you get rejected on the interview, then you have to do the same thing. Instead of doing the reverse engineering, means after rejection, studying, right? Better means prevention is better than cure, isn't it? बीमारी होने से पहले ही, है ना, so cure कर लिया जाए, that is better. So what I'm saying is, if you continue with me, means what we study here, we understand here, what homework I'm giving to you. If you continue parallel with me, it will be good for you, so that once we finish the training, you'll be ready for the job. You don't have to wait for time, for some time. Okay, I'm not ready right now. I need 1 week, 1 month time to get ready, and then I start applying for the job. Or you get rejected, then you study the same thing, and you realize that, okay, that time I have not covered it, then I have to again study. Got it? Clear? Ready? Ready for 3 months? 3 to 3.5 months. Okay. So a lot of topic. So it's not, we are not at all stick with the syllabus. Syllabus, whatever syllabus we have covered, we will cover definitely. But there are important topics which are important. We'll introduce something new also. This is not something that we are not stick with the syllabus. Okay, this is the syllabus, then we'll not cover extra, right? Which we feel that this is important, we cover in our syllabus. Understand? We are not at all stick with the syllabus. We'll stick with something which is important for you, which is latest and required from the market perspective. Okay, good to go. So let's start with the introduction. So have faith for 3 months, right? Keep following. So what I'm doing is, one more thing I would like to explain you. I would like to tell you that initial networking session, what I have done for the initial networking session, I have added some people, outside people also. You understand, right? Those videos I have already uploaded in YouTube. So I have given chance to outside people also, starting 8 to 9 session, basic session, not the core session, basic networking session. So Monday onwards, we'll add those people also. So you don't need to worry about that. You are free to ask the question also. Just 8 to 9 session freely we have allowed people also to outside to join. Okay, so Monday onwards, they will also join. So after 9 classes, once we cover basics, they will be discontinuing the batch. Okay, so free session, free training we are giving for 9 days to the outside people. Okay, so let me tell you one important thing. Initial 9 day session, which are basics, will be uploaded in my YouTube channel. After that, you understand, each and every session are not being shared because I'm here to support you. You understand? But we have to support ourselves also. That's the reason every day session are not being shared. You understand? If we share the recording for every day, you guys and your friends will not be here. You understand, right? You understand? Because if I share the everyday recording to you, you understand, you will not do. But somebody out of you may do it. You can't trust, right? If anybody share the recording, you understand, we have seen it. We have see this portal where we are uploading the recording. We have implemented AI technology. We have seen that, and we have even filed the copyright act also for against one of the guy who have shared the recording to multiple people. So AI technology we have detected to multiple location, and we filed the copyrighted act also. So because the recording has been shared to multiple people and it was coming live whenever multiple people connect to the internet, that bot you to detect. So I'm just telling you that we cannot trust people, right? So I'm here to support you, but we have to support ourselves also. If I share recording to people every day session, if any one person also share with anyone, it will become viral, right? Then future people will not come to my training, isn't it? That's a limitation. It's not something you should not say that I'm not sharing the recording. I don't have any problem. I am here to support you. I want you to get the job. If you are getting the job, you are happy. I am double happy because it's an output of my effort. But the limitation is this. That's the reason for some days, we'll have the gap where recording will not be shared. Initial networking classes will be shared and uploaded on YouTube. Then we'll have the gap of sharing the recording. But in case you miss any class, you can inform me prior to the class. So I'll I'll share a temporary link, one-time watch link to you so that you can cover the missed class. So in that case, you have to inform me prior to the class so that I will share you one-time watch recording so that you can cover it and next class. But once we start the practical classes, you understand, practicals are very important. You can rewatch and do the practicals. So once we start the practicals classes, then we'll share the link on the group itself. Okay, theoretical classes, you have to create the notes during the class. I will ask you to write and you have to create the notes. Notes also, we also share the notes, and I ask you to create the notes. Even though we have the notes, but still I ask you to write it. Because one time I will explain you, you write, then you read triple times, 3 times. Understand? Because that means more time it will be there in the memory. This class I would have finished in 2 months instead of 3 months by reading the slides. But in my class, especially in SOC class, I not at all read the slides. Because of this reason. We have all these steps written on the document already. I would have read this document, but I'm not reading at all. Why? Because I know that if I explain you write, longer time it will be there on your mind. Understand? So if you miss any class, inform me personally, not in the group. If you are asking in the group, I'm not going to respond, especially for the recording. Okay? So if you miss any class, inform me prior to the class. Okay, so we'll start introduction with first person, Adarsh Lal. So I have 4 people here sitting offline also. We are running this training currently from Jabalpur location, Jabalpur branch. So here offline we have 4 people and almost 66 people we have joined, online. 65 people. Some people I think could not join today. 4, 6, 7 people. So I'll recommend you, everybody, while introduction, please turn on your camera. this is the first time. Maybe during the session, you will not turn on your camera. You'll have to mute your camera. This is the first time. And last means during the finishing of the session, we'll again turn on the camera at the last moment of the. So people who are introducing, please turn on your camera. Go ahead. Ram, please go ahead.
Yeah. Hi.
Not
Good
everybody.
morning, everyone.
Only people who are introducing, they have to turn on the camera. Everybody else should mute their camera, please.
Yeah. Hi, Sulabh.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, myself Ramu. I am from Bangalore location. My background is I completed BTech, CSC, the stream. I
Okay.
have 7 years of experience in US title industry, real estate, banking sector. Now I changing domain to cyber security. I'm interested. Now it's good opportunities is there. That's why I'm
7 years
coming.
you have experience in
US real estate banking.
real estate banking.
It's like a banking loan documentations and all I'm doing.
Okay. Great. So you're from which location?
Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay, great. Good. Thank you, Ram, for joining. I
Yeah.
hope you will have laptop.
Yeah, I have a laptop.
So see, I'll recommend you everybody to join using laptop, big screen. Because
Yeah,
when
sure.
you here, it's very important to have a big screen.
Yeah, sure.
And also, I'll recommend you people who does not have broadband connection, especially because you have paid this much amount to take this training, join this training, right? At least for a few months, take the broadband connection if possible for stable connectivity.
Yeah, sure. I have broadband, laptop, everything I have.
Okay, great. Thank you, Ram.
Yeah.
Next, others, please go ahead. Others,
Yes, sir.
go ahead.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, class. Myself, Adarsh Lal. I'm from Chhattisgarh.
Mm-hmm.
And I have no experience in IT, and I want to build career in IT. Actually, I have a background of mechanical engineering.
Mechanical,
Yes, sir.
which year pass out?
2014.
2014.
Yes, sir.
2014. After that, what you have done?
So many companies, so many technical lines. Now I want to build career in IT.
अच्छा, why mechanic? Why you are leaving mechanical job?
सर बोर हो गया था.
बोर हो गया था? क्यों बोर हो गए थे भाई?
सर थोड़ा वही घिसा पिटा लाइन थोड़ा सा मेरे को न्यू चाहिए था लाइफ पे.
Every job have same thing only. After 1
नहीं
year
सर,
or something, you realize that you end
बहुत
up doing
बोरिंग
the
काम
same thing.
होता है मैकेनिकल लाइन.
What makes you bored?
Can't explain.
What do you think that is bore? I mean,
Sir, there's a
bore in sense if
no
you
new
say that
thing
it's a
for
field work,
learning. There's
it's a
no
field work. Okay, if you're your IT work, it's a good work. You are sitting in the AC. You have so many girls across you, and in mechanical work in the college and field, you don't see anybody.
no, that's
Then
not
okay,
like
I
that.
understand then. And if you say
Actually,
that
there's a
in mechanical field
actually
you are
there
not getting paid enough, that is also I understand.
yeah, that's one reason. One one reason, but there's a nothing much to learning and there's a nothing much to grow. So I want to switch to in IT.
Okay. See, that is the biggest reason. The biggest reason of people to switch jobs from different field, to IT, especially from mechanical, electrical. I mean, you understand? You're saying that you're bored, of course, because see, if you are earning money, right, from somewhere, you will not feel bored. I'm
Yes, sir.
telling you, because
Yes,
you
sir.
have 100 of different sources to make yourself happy,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? If you have good amount of money, you have 100 of different sources to make yourself happy. So
Yes,
you will
sir.
not feel happy. The only thing is, the main reason is you are not
Yeah.
the
Yes,
growth.
sir.
The result is growth. One of my
Yes,
friend
sir.
called me a few couple of months back. He called me. He said like Sulabh, he working same example. Uh, he used to work in mechanical field. He said, Sulabh, I'm very happy today. I said, what happened? He said, Sulabh, I got promoted. I said, very good. It's a good news. Good news. I said, how much you got now? Because we used to discuss everything. I mean, we were very close friends. So we used to discuss. Uh, I mean, I did not tell mine, but we used to discuss all this. But after a long time, he called me. So he told like I got 55,000 now. He said my salary was 50. Now I am getting 55,000. You understand, after having 13, 14 years experience, now 13 years experience, now he is getting 55,000. His manager is 18 years experience. He is getting 75,000. You understand? This is the mechanical job. And
Yes,
he
sir.
was so happy. He was so happy because he is living in a place. He is living in a place. He is living with the people who are earning this much only. You understand, right? That's the reason if you are living with good people, that's a change that you see. That's the reason you see posh area in posh colony. You will see the plot and the flat cost is higher, and the other colony the cost are lower, because it's all about who is living behind you, beside you, isn't it? So he is
Yes,
living
sir.
with people who are earning that much only. So he do not know how much people are earning. He do not know how much IT people are earning. He do not know that 50,000 is nothing nowadays. In IT, 55,000 is being earned by freshers, isn't it? I thought this in mind, but I did not want to demotivate him. So I did not say anything. I was happy along with him, but I thought this in my mind that 55,000 was nothing, but he started his job in 50, in mechanical 15,000, 10,000. This is how people are getting in this field. So that's the scenario. And the reason behind why we are not getting growth in this field, this is the introduction class. That's the reason I'm taking this much of class, because we may not be able to discuss all these things once we are in the flow in the concept. So why people are earning less and we don't see growth in this core field, and why we see the growth in IT field. The thought, right, which comes in our mind. Why we see growth in IT? The reason behind this is, being a mechanical, we are limited to the specific site. We are limited to the
Okay.
specific geolocation. If there's a work in particular city, I have to go physically and do the work, isn't it? And I will get paid accordingly, according to the standard of that particular location. While being in IT, being in India, being sitting in the C grade city, I am working for the project for the UK, US, Australia, Canada. Where in the Canada they don't have expert people, particular technology, they have outsourced us, and we are earning on the USD, on the dollar. Being sitting in one location, we're working for a different company, different project across the globe. Multiple sources of income, different countries, different project. Yes or no? That's the reason. Similarly, the IT companies taking the project from multiple different countries, earning on USD and earning big amount of money. That's the reason they are paying to their employees also. That's the reason. That's the reason difference between the core branch, why we are not getting earning, and the core branch, and why we are getting good amount of money in the IT sector. IT sector also, especially the technology which is highly in demand, which is something new. Various different countries, we don't have expert people. Today, specialist people, they outsource. We have, in our country, we have expert people, they will outsource to us, will get earn. Understand? That's a
Yes,
scenario.
sir. Yes.
That's the reason. That's the reason of, demand in IT. In our India is one of the best in IT people. If you see the resources, India resources are spreads are across the world, US, UK, everywhere you'll see people from India.
Yes, sir.
Got it right? So the conclusion was for you is growth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you others for joining. Next
Thank you, sir.
next we have Amir. Amir, go ahead. Amir,
Yeah. Hi everyone. Hi Sulabh.
good
This
morning.
is Amir from Kashmir,
Yes.
presently in Bangalore. So I have done my graduation in 2018, and after that, I have 1.5 years of experience in cybersecurity. Then, due to my personal reasons, I had to left the job. I was working with my father. So now I'm looking for a job again.
Okay. Great to see you again.
Thank you, sir.
He
Previously, I
joined.
have
He joined our session. I think in which year you joined?
2020.
2020, right? You got the job also. He got the job also. Then you left, right? The
Yeah, I
job.
left my job due to my personal reasons. I had
So business he started. He left the job in Kashmir.
yes.
Then he want to come back in cybersecurity. So 2020, 19, 20, I think you started.
Yes.
Okay, great to see you again. Thank you, Amit,
Thank
for
you.
joining. Next we have Abhishek. Abhishek Sekhar. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir, I'm audible.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, currently, actually, I am from Balia, and I have completed my graduation in 2020 from mechanical branch, and currently I am working in entity data, in information security domain.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's your objective now?
I wanted to switch in core cybersecurity domain.
Okay. Information security, what's your core responsibilities? Physical security or what?
Yeah, it's all
What's your
about we have some of the tasks. So we are working on a AD account creations, and some of the currently it's all about GPI. We are working on project that is called GPI and Stellaris. So there are some of the tasks, and we worked on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mostly IAM team kind of work.
Yeah.
Identity and access management.
Yeah.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Great to see you. Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Aditya. Aditya MD. Go ahead.
Sir, am I visible?
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Myself, Aditya. I did my master's on MCA. I am currently staying in Bangalore, sir. Just 2 months back, I graduated.
Acha. Which branch?
Sir. Sir, MCA.
MC. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. That's it. You're from Bangalore itself or somewhere else?
No, sir, Bangalore only.
So what you're looking for now?
No, sir, I just want to learn this course from the basic. I just interest on that. That's why.
Why cybersecurity?
Don't know, sir. Just interesting.
You don't know why
That's why.
cybersecurity?
No, sir, I don't know about anything.
You did not do any research?
No, sir.
Arey, you are saying
Lit
no. You are very
No,
honest.
sir.
No.
I watched your YouTube videos on cybersecurity. What you're teaching that's that video. I watched some. I researched some information about SOC.
So you should say like this.
That's
You're saying you don't know. You said
no,
saying
sir.
no. You should say that I have done some research about the
No, sir.
career in cybersecurity, the scope in cybersecurity. Then you
Yes,
came
sir.
to know, okay, it's very good in demand. Then I
Yes,
said
sir.
cybersecurity like this. Okay,
Yes,
great
sir.
to know. Anyways, thank
Thank
you.
you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aditya.
Yes,
Uh,
sir.
next we have Akash. Go ahead, Akash.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Akash, go ahead.
Sir, good morning,
Morning.
sir, and good morning, everyone. My name is Akash Sahu, and right now I'm in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And lastly, I'm associated with my last company, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS.
Well,
So
last
I
year, what?
worked
Last year?
TCS. I'm my last company is TCS,
And current company?
no, actually, I'm looking for a job change, so that's why I joined this
No, current
course.
company. What's your current company?
No, right now I'm not having any job. I'm
You
having some
left
consult.
job?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Why did you let the job? Leave the job?
No, sir, actually, due to some policy changes, actually,
Acha,
I'm
acha,
not
acha,
permanent there.
Acha,
I
you are
worked as
contract.
a,
You
yeah,
are
I
as a
worked as a
contract.
consultant. So due to
Acha,
some
acha, acha.
policy change, but they, I'm still I have some doors open that if I'm having any certification like this, so they can take me
Got it,
back,
got it.
or I'm can apply anywhere else also.
Anyways,
I'm
you have plenty of opportunities now. So,
yeah, and I'm having almost over experience about 10 years, but it's not fully on a IT side. But in my every job, I'm connected with some projects like a app development for the various ministries. So anyhow, I'm connected working with the NIC team and other technical teams.
acha, acha, okay, okay. Good, good, good. Good. Good to see you here. Thank you,
Yes, sir.
Akash, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Alex. Alex, please go ahead. Alex, are you there? There are two Alex. You joined from two devices. Amit. Alex, you slept, it seems. It's how much time? What is the time there? 10:30? So early. Amit. Go ahead, Amit.
Hello everyone. Hello sir. Good morning.
Issue with the speaker. Okay, no problem. Go ahead,
Hello.
Amit. Amit, go ahead.
Yes, my name is Amit Gajbhare. I'm from Pune. I'm recently graduate student. I'm currently working from TCS as a system engineer.
System engineer?
Yes.
System engineer generic designation. What is your work?
In cybersecurity domain, sir.
Cybersecurity?
Yes.
What do you do in cybersecurity there?
So I'm recently joined, sir. So I'm on training.
Achha. You did not get any project yet?
No, sir, no.
Achha, achha. Okay, okay, great, great. Okay, thank you. Amit, which location are you working in? TCS?
Sir, Bhuneshwar, sir.
Bhubaneswar. Which year pass out you are?
Sir, 2023.
2023, recent pass out only.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you for joining, Amit.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, we have Anuradha. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Hi, everyone. I am Anuradha from Bangalore. Currently, I'm working as senior quality analyst past 4 years. So I wanted to switch my domain to cybersecurity.
Okay. Quality analysis means testing?
Yes, sir. Yes. I'm into testing.
Software testing?
Yes.
You do manual testing or automation?
Like here, I'm doing manual testing on this.
Manual testing. Okay. So why do you want to switch now?
Because daily I'm getting the same task and no upgrade itself. So I wanted to upgrade my skills.
So you don't like the job that you're doing?
Yes, sir. Like daily doing the same stuff is like boring.
Correct. I don't feel that. I mean, especially since you already joined here, you already thought the think the same. And I also don't feel that in order to do the software testing job, we need to be an engineer. There is no different thing that we are doing in the job. Same thing, same testing again and again, doing the same job. I don't feel that uh, we are doing anything different. I mean,
Yes, sir.
especially
Yes, sir.
this explanation I'm giving to you only because any normal graduate people can do, any 12th class people can do it. I mean, especially because couple of months I also did the same thing and also changed. Initial career of my initial career time, I also did the software testing. When I did not have job, I did it for 3 months, and I realized the same thing. But I did realize it for 3 months only. I didn't realize that I did that it's not required to be an engineer to do this job. And because daily same task you're doing, just testing and send it to developer. Developer will fix it. It's a challenging job for developer. But for tester, nothing it is. Again, you do the same thing, again it will fix. Again, do the retesting, again it will fix. Doing the same job, and growth will be 1920, almost same as a developer, but I don't feel that we'll be able to respect the job that we are doing ourselves. Means I was not able to respect myself, what kind of job I am doing.
Yes, sir.
Being an engineer, we are looking for something which should be challenging, isn't it? Not should be very easy, which anybody can do. So it's good that you have finally taken the decision to do something different.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It should not be very casual. Of course, if something which is very easy, you won't get growth, you won't get respect. Good that you have taken the decision finally.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good to see you here. Thank you, Anuradha, for joining.
Thank
Next we have who is next? Anuradha, Arindam. Go ahead, please.
Hello, sir. Am I audible to you, sir?
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, myself, Arindam. Good morning, everyone. I'm from Kolkata. Actually, right now I'm working in ITC Limited as a SOC analyst, L1. I want to grow myself in the SOC domain. Basically, actually, I am working in L1 position. Now have to change actually now I have to grow in the L2 position. That's why I have joined in this training.
Okay, great to see you here. Thank you, Arindam, for joining. Thank you. Next we have, who is next after Arindam? We have Asutosh. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi, good morning, sir,
Morning.
and the whole team. Myself, Ashutosh Upadhyay, completed BC in 2007, but due to some family issue, I didn't got a chance to study more.
Okay.
And yes, I have joined non-technical company till now, but I realized that I have to join my field. I am bored here and got frustration, sir. Doing 12-hour job as a laborious work, and
You
there
have
is
your
no
camera. You
any.
have camera working.
Actually, I think, sir, I have some
Problem. You
issue
have.
with my camera.
Acha. No. You can see it here. At least I can see your face. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead. That's
Give me
fine.
1 minute.
That's fine. Go ahead. That's fine.
Actually, sir, I think laptop camera is not working.
Okay. Go ahead. No problem.
Then, sir, I decided to join IT sector where I will get update my knowledge every time, and I will update according to our society. And my aim is to join the cybersecurity field, sir.
Okay. So you're from which place?
Sir, from Varanasi.
from Banarsi. Okay, okay, okay. Great, great, great. Nothing. देर आए दुरुस्त है बोलते हैं ना, देर आए दुरुस्त. Of course, hopefully you will be able to.
Yeah, sir, I got a chance to saw your video on YouTube and I got excited to trend with you.
Hopefully,
Become your student, sir.
I believe you will be able to fulfill what you're looking for. Definitely. Just have faith to the God and definitely थोड़ा देर जरूर है लेकिन hopefully I mean it's a bit late but I believe that you'll be able to get it.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for your appreciation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashutosh, for joining. Next,
Thank you, sir.
next कौन है? Next who is next? Avinash. Avinash. Next, Avinash. Are you there? Avinash.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Are you audible?
Camera problem? Camera?
I am audible, sir.
Yes, you're audible. Go ahead.
I am Avinash. I am from Chennai.
Yes, Avinash, go ahead.
I am from Chennai. I have completed my mechanical engineering in 2019. I have been for past 4 years in Renault Nissan company as a senior engineer.
Okay.
I am rejected. I want to change.
You have what?
Now I am relieved in the company, sir, because I want to change in IT.
Acha, acha. So you have left the job?
Yeah.
You left the job. Okay, okay, okay. So now you want to change to IT. So you might have
Yes, sir.
the same reason.
For less salary, sir.
99% people coming from this
Yeah.
field have the same reason, of course.
Yes, sir.
Of course.
Sitting
Everybody at
chairs
the
in-
end, everybody at the end work for the money only, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
लोग बोलते हैं, some people says that, या तुम पैसा पैसा करते हो, you talk always money, you always talk about the money. अरे भैया, हाँ?
Yes,
You
sir.
always run behind the money. भैया money, almost you can buy everything, right? If you have money. If you're
Yes,
run,
sir.
if you are running, if you are not running behind the money, I'm telling you, I mean, it's my own, you're actually fool. If you're not running behind the money, almost you can buy everything if you have money. Almost.
Yes.
I'm not saying that everything, but almost.
Yes,
But if
sir.
you don't have money, you will realize that. Some people who may not agree, but you will feel one day. If you don't have money, you'll feel yourself like, you know, that you don't have money. You can buy everything. भैया पैसे नहीं होंगे शादी नहीं होगी आपकी. ये सुनो, लड़की भी छोड़ के चली जाएगी.
Yes, sir.
Your girlfriend will not marry you. She can be your girlfriend sometime, but at the time of marriage, she will leave you. Yes or no? So running behind the money is very important at the right time. At the right time. So instead of running behind something else, I believe that we should improve ourselves. I mean, health is also important, of course, along with that. But at the same time, we should work in improving our knowledge, improving our skill. I'm saying running behind the money, not unethical way, with ethical way, on the right channel, using the right channel, not on unethical way. I never support that. I do not do that also. I never support also. With the ethical way only, not an unethical way. We always work on our skills so that if you have money, I am telling you that you almost have everything. You have peace at your home. Whatever you are looking for, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
very important. Some people telling that okay, it's enough. We should do, but it's very important. You can buy anything. You have luxury life. You have peace. Otherwise, you'll have fight always at your home. You'll not be able to fulfill your basic requirement of your family. Always there'll be, घर से आवाजें आएंगी लड़ने की. जैसे ना पत्नी से लड़ाई होगी, वाइफ fight with wife, fight with your cousins. So it's very important, and taking the action on time is also very important. You should not take too much time to decide anything. Some people are taking too much of time. Some people are too much confused. We should be very much prompt. I mean, that means we should be a good decision maker. See, I'm not saying that, okay, you decide anything. We should be doing the proper research in something, and then taking the decision so that the chances of the failure should be lesser. But in order to do that, you should not be taking too much of time, because time do not wait for anyone. Yes or no? It should not happen that doing the research or doing deciding and you have taken too much of time, the time has gone. Time is not going to wait for everything. There's your time. You have taken the decision after time has been passed, there is no sense of doing it. Time is very important. We have to be very prompt in taking the decision. Some people, the real time example I'm giving, some people think that I have to do it. During the training joining also, some people are very confused. Okay, my friend is joining. They know that career is good. My friend is joining. I will see them. Once they will get the job, then I will join. Means, इसको बोलते भेड़ चाल. They always want to be the part of public only, part of crowd. They don't have their own stand. They don't have their own way. Always they see other people. They are always followers. They're always followers. They don't want other to be their followers, because they don't have their own path. Always their follower. भैया मेरा दोस्त क्या चल रहा है? भैया दोस्त क्या कर रहा है? It's good that your friend has joined, then you join. Your friend has joined, you do the research. Then you come and join. I never support that your friend has joined, that's the reason you join. Your friend has joined, you did the research, and you came to know it's good. Then you join. That's the right answer, that's the right approach. It's not something that your friend has joined and blindly trusted him and you join. Means you're a follower. You don't have your own path. Isn't it? In life, we should have our own path. We should make the followers. Other people should be our followers. Isn't it? We should not be followers all the time. I don't know why people are not thinking this way. Always they have always they are becoming followers. Other दोस्त कर रहा है तो मैं भी करूंगा. अरे भैया दोस्त कर रहा है तो देख तो लो पहले सही है कि नहीं है, करने लायक है कि नहीं है. दोस्त कर रहा तुम करोगे, अरे दोस्त को देख लेता हूँ, दोस्त पास हो जाएगा तो मैं भी करूंगा, दोस्त का जॉब लग जाएगा तो मैं भी करूंगा. Once my friend gets success, my friend got selected, then I will do that. मतलब they don't even have courage. You don't even have courage to do that. बिना risk, people do not even ready to take the risk. Success does not come without risk. Everything there is a risk. You go out of your home, there's a risk. You can meet an accident. So you won't go out of your home. You will go, right? It's a compulsion. You have to go. Similarly, risk also you have to take. If you won't take the risk, you won't get success. It's the same ratio. How much risk you take, that much of success you get. And actually, that much of success you deserve. That is all about your perception, your thinking, your thoughts.
Hi, Sulabh. Hello.
Yes. Let him complete first. Avinash, thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir. As my sibling says, it is the more gain in cybersecurity, sir.
Right.
That's why I am joined and switched to IT.
Great. Of course, IT
More
has
demand in current, more demand, sir. That's why I switched to IT and I have already watched your video for past 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
Then only I got interested and I want to join it, sir.
Okay, great. Thank you, Avinash, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, yeah, Dhanus, go ahead. You have any
Sorry to
question?
interrupt. No. Actually, I am in a hurry. Actually, I want to go for office. Actually, you can
Acha.
see me.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. I can give you the
Uh,
chance if you.
I am located in UAE. Actually,
Mhm.
can you
Yes,
hear
boy,
me?
go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm working as a system admin actually for past 2 years. Before I was a field service engineer.
Mm-hmm.
So now I need to move for switch for cybersecurity because of I knew that because in the big industries, they have some application they they put in a white list, some application in a blacklist. Then I knew that what is blacklist, what is a whitelist. So that is why I need to fix. I need to know what is inside of that one software.
Okay. Okay. I think you're in office, is it?
No, I am in the metro actually. You can see the
Metro.
metro.
Because your voice is
Waiting for
not
the.
clear. Your voice is not. You have a lot of
So
echo.
we will meet on next class because I need to. I'm in a hurry actually. Sorry.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Okay. Great. Great. Thank you, Dhanus, for joining. Okay. Next, we have. Who is next? After Avinash, Bhanu Prasad. Please go ahead. Bhanu Prasad. Bhanu, your mic. I think you have mic problem. No, it's not audible. I think you have mic problem. Make sure that you fix it by Monday so that you can ask the question if you have any. You are not audible. Next we have, till the time I'm taking next. If you're able to fix it, then I will take at the end. Next we have after Avinash, we have Ihi. Ihi, please go ahead. Ihi Binin. Please go
Okay,
ahead.
Sulab, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear. Please go ahead.
Okay, my name is Ehi Okogbeni. I'm actually from Nigeria. Yeah, I studied in electrical engineering, graduated a while ago, but I haven't worked in the field once. I've just been in finance. I currently work in finance. I work as a financial markets analyst and researcher. But I'm looking to switch to cybersecurity. I just feel it's going to give me more, basically more pay, like you said, follow the money.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm just looking to upskill myself this year and be able to switch to IT, so yeah, that's
Total,
what
how
it is.
many years of experience you have?
Yeah, I have over 6-7 years of experience now. Yeah.
6-7 years. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Great to see you here. Thank you for
Yes.
joining.
All right. Thank you.
Next we have after he Fatu. Please go ahead. Fatu, please go ahead. Are you?
I'm here. Hi, good evening. It's about 11 p.m. I'm in the United States, specifically New York. My name is Fatu. Currently I am, I do data analysis. But my original background, I got my master's in social services, which is completely different from IT. And then I came from that, jumped into data analysis maybe about some 5 or 6 years ago. But as of recent years, I have been very intrigued, by cybersecurity. So there's just so much. I see a lot of opportunities, growth. So I want to be part of, the early movement in terms of establishing a career. I feel like cybersecurity versus data analysis. Cybersecurity, the work is, I want to believe, is more streamlined,
Right.
and hopefully better pay. So that's the reason why I'm here. I'm very excited to be a part of this class. I
Great.
look forward to learning. Thank
Great.
you.
Great to see you. Which tool, is there any specific tool you're working on data analysis?
So like I do my contracts have been in banking a lot. So they are not really heavy for the most part on tools, but it's like Calibra. I don't know if you know that. It's basically data lake and SQL, that kind of stuff.
Okay. Great to see you. Thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next is who is next? कौन था next after Govind? Govind, just give me 1 moment. I'm just coming. Then you start. Yes, Govind, go ahead. Hello? Govind, are you there?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Go ahead.
Sir, after one cent, I have 2 minutes, sir.
Huh?
And second one, sir.
You're already done?
No, sir. I'm explaining about in after one.
I didn't get it.
He will introduce after some time, Sulabh.
Acha, after some time you'll do.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So next is Isfaq. Isfaq, go ahead.
Hello, good morning, sir. I'm audible.
Yes. Go ahead.
My name is Ishfaq Ehsan Mir. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. I have completed my master's in civil engineering. Then after that, I went home and prepared myself for government exams, but I did achieve it. Then this is one of my cousin brother, Amir, and he told me it is better to don't waste time and change the domain in IT.
Okay.
Right now I'm here.
Which year pass out? You are?
2025.
2020.
20,
Okay.
yeah.
Currently you're in Bangalore?
Yeah, I'm Bangalore.
Bangalore. Okay. You have laptop, right?
Yeah, laptop.
Okay. Great. See you then on Monday. Join with laptop.
Okay, thanks, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Next is EV Iridia. EV Iridia. Please go ahead. IV Iridia.
Yeah, it's Ivy.
IV, right?
Give me.
Yeah. Sorry for the wrong pronunciation. Yeah. Please go ahead.
Hello. Good evening.
Yes, good evening.
I reside in Dallas, Texas. Right now, I should say I was an accountant I'm trying to become a cybersecurity analyst. The reason I became professional
Your
is I
voice
was
is
getting burnt
breaking.
out
Your voice is breaking.
from my previous accounting job, so I decided to
I think you have
see if
network problem. You have network problem, it seems.
is it a little better now?
Not much. Go ahead now.
It's not any.
Voice problem.
Is it any better?
It's better now. It's better now.
Okay.
Please go ahead. Go ahead from
Hello?
start. Go ahead from
Hi.
start.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ivy Reese. I reside in Dallas, Texas, in the U.S. I am an accountant, majored in finance, and got my degrees. I was getting burnt out, so I decided to pursue my first love, which is IT. I want to be a cyber security engineer.
So current,
we'll
what's your current field?
I'm an accountant.
Accountant. Okay. How many years experience you have?
Ooh, I'm aging myself. 15 years.
15 years.
So the money was not the problem. I was just getting burnt out.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Ivy, for joining. Next, after Ivy, Jagdish, go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Jagdish, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Myself, Jagdish. I have no experience in IT. I'm a last year passed out student from Hindustan University in Chennai.
Okay.
I want to build my career in cybersecurity.
Okay. Graduation, what you have done? Graduation?
Sir,
And
come again.
graduation, what you have done?
I'm CSC background, sir. Computer science engineering
Computer
background.
science. Acha. Okay. Why cyber security?
Sir, to be frank, I wish I want to get more earnings.
More earnings.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, great. So you have done some research.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've done, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Jagdish, for joining.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next, we have after Jagdish, Javed. Javed, go ahead, please.
Hi, Sulabh.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, team. Very good morning, good evening.
Good evening means you are not in India?
No, I'm in India. I'm saying good evening for the US people or the other geographies.
Great.
Yeah. So my name is Javed Khan, and I'm in computer science engineering background. I have been to IT industry for more than 12 years with the different domains. Recently working on information security, likewise in the GRC, governance, risk and compliance, which comprises of our cyber security as well, where we came across done a lot of research, not on the content, but on Sulabh itself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Presently working for one of top IT MNC in India, located in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So this requires me to just make myself brush up. So working as a lead auditor or a kind of, compliance manager or a risk manager, need to understand what is in and what is out. By reading the books, I cannot get it unless there is somebody who is giving me a eye contact for the trainings.
So don't you think that this training would be very deep down? It is not just a knowledge.
No, it doesn't matter, Sulabh. The way you are guiding the people, that definitely is going to add a value to the life, not for the money, not for the career, not for the job or other.
Okay, great. I mean, as you mentioned, but you have different requirement. I mean, audit perspective, you need just basic knowledge, just knowledge to speak to the people. But this training will be very deep dive. That's the reason I'm telling you, because
Yeah,
think
Sulabh,
about it
I don't
technically.
wanted to take much time. That was the reason I was limited to say. See,
Uh,
being an auditor, I need to understand what is in and what is out. That
Acha.
requires my knowledge to be understood to audit
uh,
somebody.
of course, you'll be very, very confident, much more confident when you are speaking
Yeah.
to people. If
Yeah,
you,
let's say if I'm doing an audit for that EDR tool, and if I'm not very well versed with that, so if they generate some report and they put it across the table, I may not be able to justify the audit.
right, correct.
So for that, I need to understand what is in, what is out, what is the depth, what is the requirement.
Correct. That's good to know that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah, I'm with all the team members here as a new starter. You can treat me in the same way as a new starter as well.
Thank you for joining, Javed ji. And let me tell you that it's good that you are here. And we had several people before who are 20 years experience, 25 years experience, up to 60 years total age, I'm telling you. Lot of people, 25-year, 50-year age, 55-year age, lot of people before. Now, maybe you are the eldest one for now.
Yeah.
But we have several people before. I am much younger than you, but we have several people. So,
Thank you.
So it's an ongoing process.
Yeah.
You don't feel yourself.
Nothing like that. See,
Learning.
It's a classroom training. Anybody can come and learn.
Of course, because it's technical. It's not a school class. It's not. You're not learning 12th. That okay, this much you are learning. It's a technical. It's a professional. It's a professional training. There is no age for that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Javed ji, for joining.
Thank you, Sulabh. Thank you, team.
Next is next. Who is next? Jyoti Gangal. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, Jyoti, go ahead.
The video is like it's asking some setting.
Camera?
It is, sir.
Ask to start. You have not started your camera.
Yeah.
Now you know, just started, then it is muted. Start again.
Wait, please allow Zoom to access your camera from device settings.
Allow. Acha, you are Mac?
No, sir. It's an Android phone itself.
Acha, phone. Acha, I mean, you should join using laptop. Anyways, I think what setting it is asking. So there should be some setting, right, to allow camera.
Yes.
Anyways, go ahead for now then. Go ahead like this only.
Myself, Jyoti. I think I called you a few days back, sir. I talked to you. I'm from civil background, 2018 pass out.
Okay.
Till date, I'm working as a civil engineer only with 4 years experience. So as I'm not well paid, I'm thinking of switching the job.
Okay, she will be working, right? Civil.
Yes, sir.
Achha, you called me 2 days before.
Sorry, sir.
You called me, you are saying?
Yeah. I spoke to you itself before joining.
Achha, before 2 days you are saying. 2 days back because I do not remember.
No, not 2 days. Few days ago.
Achha, few days. Few days. Okay. Might be. Okay. Great. Okay, so you are working as civil engineer. You left the job. You are still working.
No, I'm still working actually.
Who suggested you to join civil to take civil branch?
No, sir, it was my choice actually.
Achha, you wanted to build building, towers.
After that, I got to know in engineering it was easy actually to study and all compared to the electrical and CS branch when I was not interested in computer languages.
अच्छा, बड़े सवाल बड़े सपने,
Yeah.
बड़े बड़े टावर बनाएंगे। इंजीनियरिंग लाइन में तो ऐसे ही होता है ना, बड़े बड़े टावर बनाएंगे, ये बनाएंगे, वो करेंगे। जब इंजीनियरिंग करके निकलो समझ में आता है कि लाइफ
It was not like that, but I was interested in that building construction. Even now, I'm not interested in a job, but it's not well paid. That's what.
especially for girls, especially because see, civil work is mostly field work. Office
Yeah.
work, less work, mostly
Yeah.
field work and going on field. And it's little different work. So,
Yes.
so that is the reason. Mostly girls, I don't, I'm not saying that there are no girls in the civil, but especially less because the work is different. Work is mostly field.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, this is good. Good. Thank you for joining.
Yes. Thank you.
But you are interested, that's the reason you joined. I was interested in electronics and communication. I took the computer electronics branch. So it's all about interest. Then we realize nowadays, right? We realize there is no market of electronics in India. Anyways, thank you, Jyoti, for joining. And next is, who is next? Next. कौन है भाई? Next कौन है? After Jyoti, Sunil. K. Sunil.
Hello, sir. Good
Go ahead,
morning.
please.
Hi, sir.
Sunil, पहले Sunil, K. Sunil.
Hi, sir.
हाँ. Yes, go ahead, Sunil.
Sir, my name is Sunil. My education background is MCA. 2022 completed my MCA background.
Okay.
Still, I am doing the TCS job in testing. Last year one project is done by the testing. Now I am doing the Unix project. Present, I am taking the training on Unix.
Okay, okay. So what?
Last 2 years completed for the TCS company. I want to switch the company on another company. That's why I want to I want to learn the new technology. I am not interested for the testing side. That's why I'm recently switched on Unix side. Started on the KTs recently, just 10 days before.
You are also not interested in testing. Why?
Because testing, there is a lot of there is in TCS there is a lot. In our project there is no growth. Just writing the test cases only every day. We are writing just like that only, that project.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, great great. Okay okay okay. Thank you Sunil for joining. Hope you'll be able to do
Okay, sir. Thank you,
your
sir.
job. Next कौन है? Who is next? Next is after K. Sunil. You can also see the series, right? You guys also see the same series, right? Same which I am seeing.
The sequence would be different for you.
Sequence, अच्छा, for you it is not the same sequence.
No.
Sequence is not same for you. Okay, okay. Otherwise, I would have asked you to follow the sequence. Okay. Next is Samendra. Samendra, please go ahead. Samendra. After Samendra, Madhava. After Samendra, okay? Samendra, go ahead. Voice. No, you have problem in your mic. Mic problem. You are not in mute, but still you have problem in your mic. Dryer problem or something. I think it cannot be fixed right away. You try to fix it. At the end, will take. If it is not fixed, then fix it before next class. Okay, next is Madhava. Please go ahead. Madhav,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, myself Madhav Reddy. I'm from Hyderabad. I completed my graduation in pharmacy. After that, I worked with the CRO, like clinical research. But I got some health issues with that profession. Like we need to work in cold temperatures to do this one serum analysis, and also I switched my career to IT 7 years back. So I worked as a NAC engineer for 4 years. Currently working as a uh, s- um, this one application support engineer.
Okay.
So since 3 years, but I wanted to build my career in cybersecurity, and yeah, I did some research regarding this, and I gone through some articles till 2030. This cybersecurity talent gap cannot be fulfilled. So I think I found it to be, I mean, more promising and means more opportunities in the sector. So I wanted to build a career in the cybersecurity.
Okay. So currently you're working in application support, right?
Yes, yes.
Which kind of application it is?
It is like budgeting, accounting software, which is by most of the Hollywood industry. Like our company, my client works, means runs payroll for the Hollywood industry. Many studios like Sony, Warner Brothers, and Fox, major studios. We run the payroll for the actors and the directors. So we provide the tools to them. Like we have, I think the tools are not well known outside because those are proprietary tools for the
House
company.
tool.
So yeah, we have tools like run the payroll and to the time cards, like who this actor works for how many hours and what is the pay scale for that one. So we will give the tools to do that stuff, like generating the time cards and running the payroll and budgeting the particular TV show or movie. So we will configure and give it to them, and we do have some configuration between the client, that is studios, and the banks. So they directly we will manage the budget for the
Okay,
that
great,
particular
great.
movie or TV show. Yeah.
Okay, great, great. Thank you, Madhav, for joining.
Yeah, thank you, Salah.
Next we have Mbappe Hillary. Hillary, please go ahead. How do we pronounce your name?
Mbappe.
Go ahead, please.
Mbappe Hillary.
Hillary. Okay, I'll give Hillary. Go
Yeah.
ahead.
So as you know, my name is Hillary Mbappe, and
Copy Hillary. Okay.
yes. So I graduated in 2017 with a BTech in accounting, and started working as a stocks accountant back in my home country, Cameroon, before moving over here to the United States. So right now, I'm currently based in Forney, Texas, and I'm a process assistant at Amazon. And looking at the job, like, the money and everything. So I have love for IT, and I wanted to move over to SOC, like become a SOC analyst. That's why I'm here.
Okay, great. How many years of experience you have?
Back home, I worked for 4 years in my home country, and then now I've been here for 1 year and 6 months, and therefore making it 5 years, 6 months.
After coming from non-IT background, who has suggested you to go for SOC, IT, cyber security? You're entirely from background.
So the little I know about the technical section, like I know about Excel, and then I know about Sage, and then so like accounting software. That's what I know so far. But now arriving here, I've met a couple of folks who are into IT, and I really do admire them. So I decided to take on that road too.
Okay, great. So have you done any research, Kai? Have you started learning from internet, any basic thing, any networking basics, anything till now?
Yeah, I have been looking at some certain things, and I had to sit some time with a friend who does that. So I know one or two things about Microsoft Azure Sentinel, and then I know a few things about cyber attacks and all those kind of things. I know a few things
Okay,
about
that's great. That's great to hear that you did not only did the research that what is the career in cybersecurity, but also you started learning it yourself.
Yeah, I started learning it go through some kind of investigations and all those kind of things. So
Okay.
I mean, I
Get
also
better.
had the opportunity. He led me one time to look at Jira and fresh service, like help desk, fresh service. So a couple of those things, I have a little bit of knowledge about some of them. So I want to get like, deep down knowledge about them now and to like be able to defend it and get a job in that.
That's the way of success, that the path
Yeah.
that you are following.
Yes,
Great
yeah.
to know that. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir, for having me here.
Next we have who next? Next कौन है भाई? After पीछे हाँ नेक्स्ट है मोहिंदर रेड्डी काफी लोग बाकी हैं अभी तो. So we'll be little extending of course it's the first day, right? So people, anybody who has office can raise the hand. So
Yes,
if
I
anybody
do
has
have.
office who has to leave by now, can raise your hand. So I will take first. Unnecessarily people do not raise the hand, please. Can wait for some time. So only people who has office now can raise the hand. So I'll give the first opportunity. Some people can wait for some time, please.
Yes, Sulabh. This side. Shahbaz Raja, this side.
Who? Acha. Just raise the hand. There is an option to raise the hand. Okay. Right click your name and there is an option of raising the hand. So let him go ahead first. Mohinder, please go ahead. Then will be the chance for people who has raised the hand.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Hi, team. I'm Mohinder Reddy. I'm from Hyderabad. I've done my graduation in BCom Computers. And last company I worked for was HSBC. I was into operations. And right now I'm looking for a career change into cybersecurity.
Okay. So which operations you are working in currently? Which operations?
Backend.
Okay.
I mean,
what kind of work it is?
It is like I was into mortgages. So I mean, mostly it was calling. And it was the UK project.
Okay. Great. So your shift is normal, right?
No, right now I'm not working.
You're not working at the job.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for joining, Mohinder.
Thank you, sir.
Next, Pramod. Pramod, go ahead. Guys, this recording will be available in YouTube. I will upload in YouTube. So anybody who left also, who leaves this training for now also because of office, you can still rewatch it in YouTube. So there's a new YouTube channel that I'll be sharing the link to you. I have created now one, you understand, right? SimExpert YouTube channel, right? I have created one more YouTube channel for now. Why? Because in regular SimExpert channel, now we'll have some different trainers also, some different trainings. So different trainers video also will be uploaded in YouTube for SimExpert channel because SimExpert is a company channel, right? My video also will be there, but some other trainers video also will be there because it's a company brand channel. And some specific only trainings related videos will be there. I have created one more channel with my name, Sulabh Misra, on which what I thought is some different scenario videos also will be there. Apart from some vlogs, some normal motivational videos, थोड़ा हिंदी में भी होगा, हिंदी में भी होंगे वीडियोस. नॉर्मल SimExpert चैनल में वीडियो हिंदी में नहीं होंगे, है ना. इसमें सुलभ वाले में थोड़ा हिंदी में भी हम बोलेंगे. फर्स्ट टाइम, अभी तक हिंदी में बात नहीं की कभी, इतने साल हो गए, कोई भी ट्रेनिंग हिंदी में नहीं हुआ, कोई बात हिंदी में नहीं हुई. लेकिन जो नया यूट्यूब चैनल होगा उसमें थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करेंगे. तो वो चैनल जो है will have regular videos also and थोड़ा हिंदी में भी टॉक होगी. So different discussions we have in English both, but apart from the regular different scenarios, we'll have थोड़ा vlogs and different scenario will take it. So that's the reason I have created a different channel. So current videos for this class I'll be uploading on the new channel, right? So you can subscribe the channel also so that it get monetized soon. So you guys subscribe that channel also, new channel. Next is Rusi. Please go ahead. Rusi, Pramod हो गया था क्या? Pramod was done? Pramod, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Sorry for the interrupting.
Sir, good morning. Pramod here. I'm from Hyderabad.
Yes, Prabodh, go ahead.
I have done my master's in cybersecurity.
Mm-hmm.
I've been working with one of the IT majors in Hyderabad.
Okay, you're working?
Yeah.
Okay. IT, what you are working?
I am working as a SOC and threat hunting analyst.
Threat and hunting. How much experience you have?
3 years into cybersecurity.
3 years.
I worked on Sentinel, Securonix, SoarPort also. So I worked on Chronicle SOAR, but I wanted to learn Splunk, so I have taken up this training.
Okay, great. So you are in the right place now.
Yes.
Because this onwards only we'll do more deep dive now on the Splunk.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pramod, for joining. Next we have Sabaj. Sabaj Raja, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Sulabh, can you hear me?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, so my name is Mohammad Shahbaz Raja. So I completed my engineering from SJB Institute of Technology in Computer Science in 2013. So after that, I worked in Mphasis, so as a web developer. So around 3 years I worked over there. After that, I left my job because I had some family issues. So again in 2022, so I came back to Bangalore and joined as a system engineer. So I am searching for the new stream. So cybersecurity is the one of the best stream to switch now.
Okay, so currently we're working, right?
Yes.
You're looking after desktop, laptop, and server issues and all.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sabaj. Next we have Rekha. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi Sulabh. This is Rekha. I'm currently working as a desktop engineer. And not currently, like 6 months back, I was working till 6 months. And from last 6 months, I was moved to cloud engineer. But due to some office politics, I was being removed from that. And now I'm just in a bench. So I have to switch my job. It's been 5 years. 5 years I'm in this company. So I have to switch from this company. And I'm looking out for, from past 4 to 5 years, I was looking out for coming into cybersecurity, but because of some various reason, my manager was like brainwashing me that it's not good and they are not doing anything from showing that this is an issue, that's it. And other technologies will be done by only IT. So I was into IT. So now I'm thinking like I have to move there. So that's why I have done the CH also, but then for some reason I just stopped that.
For 5 years you are in the same company.
Yeah, 5 years. Till 4 years I had a good time there. I was learning, and recently everything started. Politics started. Everything started, and then I'm thinking like it's not.
Was it your first company?
No, this is second company. First company I was for 1.5 years. Then I thought I was not getting anything there. So then I jumped here. For 4 years I was learning very nicely, but this year I had a very bad time last year.
Okay, fine. Thank you, Rekha, for joining. हाँ, जाना है क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? जॉब है क्या? तुम्हारा जॉब है क्या? कितने जो चौकआउट हुआ है? तो 12 बजे का चेकआउट है। 12 कहाँ बजा है? हाँ, तो रूम वगैरह का दिन भर है तुम्हारे पास यार? नेक्स्ट क्या है? नेक्स्ट कौन है? सॉरी Sibasis, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, Sibasis, go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, sir. Sir, first of all, my name is Sibasis. I'm basically from Calcutta. I have started my career as a hardware engineer in the year of 2019 in Bangalore. Then I have moved into Tata Communication Pune in the year of 2021 as a SOC analyst L1. So due to some sudden change in the project, so project moved on in the year of 2021. So I have to like forcefully quit the job. So right now I have just joined on another company in Kolkata, that is React 365 as a cybersecurity only. So I have just joined this course to enhance my skills so that I can grow my career in this field particularly. And it's fortunately I have came into this field. I don't have any kind of knowledge, or I don't have any kind of previous experience that it is a good field or anything like that.
Without knowledge, directly you got opportunity in this field.
Yes, sir. Actually, suddenly I have applied for the cloud engineer in Tata Communication, but unfortunately, when I get into a Tata Communication, the previous project moved on. So my manager told me that you have better you can grow your career in the cybersecurity, and you have the keen to learn new things, and I like your confidence, so you can better move into cybersecurity. So fortunately, I moved into this field. So after that, I have grown interest in this field. I learned too many things in Tata Communication, but not that much. But it's up to that much that it is not new to me. I have we are working on the same technologies like DNIF and firewall. We are using that over there, Sophos, and all those things.
Okay.
So that in this way, sir, I have came into this field.
Okay, great to know that. Thank you, Subhasis, for joining.
Sir, one more thing I need to...
Yes, go ahead. Unmute and go ahead.
Yeah, sir, actually, the thing is, from Monday, you have told me that there will be class, sir, actually.
Right.
So, actually, I have some office, I just joined over there. So, I think it's a general shift on Monday. So, if you can tell me that how I can join the class, then it will be better
Means
for me.
Monday, 8 to 10, class will be there, 8 to 10. So recording link
8 to 10, I have to join over there around 9:30, sir.
So in that case, you may have to go with the recording.
Maybe.
Anyways, recording will be shared link for this 2 weeks. Recording link will be shared.
Okay.
Okay.
And
next, समय थोड़ा कम है. Next, you can ping me personally for any issues, because we have less time.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, fine, sir.
And who was remaining?
Sir, can I disconnect the call, sir? Because I have to went for the office, sir.
Yes, you can disconnect now.
Okay.
Next, we have Ram, Rekha. Then we have Rekha is done, right? Ria. No, lot of people, other people are watching. Madhav. Nandagopal. Nandagopal, please go ahead. Nandagopal, please go ahead. थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे अभी. Hello, Nandagopal, are you audible? I mean, am I audible? Yes, you are in mute. You are in mute. You have to unmute.
Okay.
Now you can go ahead.
Now am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Nandagopal. Actually, I'm from TCS. I have 2 years of experience in this manual testing. And I just want to switch this domain because it's quite interesting field actually. One of my friends are already working in this vulnerability and another management side. So she referred me into this institute. One of her friend has already completed her courses in this and also got the job in SOC analyst. So that info was quite helpful for me.
Okay.
So another thing is cyber is quite interesting field compared to other testing kind of things.
Right.
So I just wanna switch to this domain.
Correct. You're right. Thank you, Nandagopal, for joining. Next we have Om Patel. Om, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm visible.
You're not visible. You have some problem, I think. Camera problem. Anyways, we won't go ahead now. But you're not visible.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning all. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Om Patel. I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand, and currently staying in Kolkata. I have done BTech in 2015 with the science branch, and currently working with one of the leading top MNC company in India.
Okay. Which field you working?
Sorry, Sule?
Which field?
IT field. Like currently we are handling UC team.
Sorry?
UC team. Like we are handling remote team and SSM team.
Acha. Okay. So you want to switch now to cyber security?
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
I'm
Great.
following you from last 1 year, you know.
2 years, is it?
No, 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Yeah, I have contacted you last January, but situation in that time situation not permitted. That's why I'm.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you, Om, for joining.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Next we have ओम के बाद कौन है? प्रकृति साहू.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Sir, my name is Prakriti Sahu. I am from Jabalpur. I have done my BE from Electronics and Communication branch. My passing year is 2018.
Okay. Which
Yes,
branch
sir.
you have done? Computer science.
Electronics and
Electronics
Communication.
communication. Okay. Where are you staying in Jabalpur? Which place?
In Hanumantal.
You would have come here offline.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have twin kids, so that's why.
Acha. It's difficult.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Good.
you, sir.
Good to see you here.
Thank you. Yes.
Prakriti, for joining. Next we
Thank
have Rusi. Go ahead, Rusi. Go ahead.
Yeah, hi, sir. Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, go
And
ahead.
visible as well? Yeah.
Yes.
This is Rushi, and belongs to Andhra Pradesh. I completed MBA in 2018. From last 3 years onwards, I'm working as a IT recruiter.
Okay.
I'm currently doing work from home. So I want to shift my career to cybersecurity.
Acha, IT recruiter you're working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So total how many years of experience you have?
From last 3 years onwards, I'm working.
3 years. Now you want
Yes.
to switch to cybersecurity.
Yes, sir, exactly.
Okay, great. You're from which place?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Okay.
Yes,
Great.
sir.
South region, there is a very good awareness about cybersecurity. In my
Yeah.
training, 80% people generally, 70%, minimum 70% people from South region. Andhra,
Yes.
Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil. 70% people always from South region. They have very good awareness about cybersecurity. Good.
Yes, sir. I'm planning from last 2 years onwards to switch career. So now this is the right time to switch.
Finally, after 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great to see you. Thank you to see.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next we have Jason. Jason, please go ahead. Jason, not there. Then Sairam.
Yeah, hi, sir.
Go ahead, please.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, my name is Sairam. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Actually, I am staying in Bangalore. I have completed my BTech in 2022 in computer science. After that, I am not doing the job because I tried to go to US for my master's. Unfortunately, I got rejected in first attempt only. So after that, I need to learn some courses like Python, some Java. Instead of that, I have done one internship in cybersecurity, sir.
Okay.
I have much interest in cybersecurity. So I need to learn about cybersecurity.
Okay.
One
Great.
of your students suggested me to join here.
Okay. Great to see you here. Thank you for
thank
joining.
Sulabh sir, sorry for interruption. Actually, sir, I need to know our regular batch will start at from Monday, na?
Monday. It's
Okay,
it's
sir.
introduction today now. Monday onwards will continue.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you. May I leave now, sir? I have some urgent work.
You can leave now. Next we have Riya Singh. Riya Singh, please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you. Go ahead.
Yes, my name is Riya. I have done my diploma in IT and then I have joined aviation industry. So I have total 5 years of experience in aviation industry.
5 years.
Yes.
So
And
currently
now
you're working? Currently you're working?
yes, I'm working, sir.
Acha, currently you're working. Okay, okay. So why cybersecurity now?
So actually there was a lot of odd times and due to family issues also, I'm planning to change.
What's your job role in the aviation industry?
It's a cabin crew.
Cabin crew. Which airline you working?
Sir, I can't.
Which airlines?
Indigo Airlines.
Indigo. Okay.
Yes.
Which route?
I can't hear
Which
you.
route? Which route?
All over international, India, all over India and international.
Acha, international भी. Acha, acha. Okay, okay. Good, good. I will see you sometime.
But now
You
I'm
won't get discounts, you know.
But
No, I
now
don't
I'm
want
planning
discount.
yes, sir, but now I'm planning to leave and
Acha,
come to IT.
but you will leave after getting job, right? But it will take another 2 to 3 months, minimum 2 months.
Yes, I'm planning to take some medical leave. Like, yes,
Acha, you are planning to take the medical leave. Okay.
yes, because so due to odd timings, it is very difficult to do this class also.
Right, right. So how easy? I mean, I find it very difficult because when we travel in the flight for 2, 3 hours, it's very difficult to pass the time. How you guys are, passing for many hours in the flight
Right.
daily basis?
We have made lot of friends. It's very easy, sir.
Huh?
We have very
Easy?
easy to pass time.
Very easy, is it?
Yes, yes.
कभी इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट में जाओ तो 7-8 घंटे काटना तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, इतना बोर लग जाता है कि लगता है कैसे काटते हैं लोग.
We read books,
Hmm?
like novels, books we carry. We read that. Sometimes we watch movie also.
अच्छा, और वो डर भी लगता है कोई फ्लाइट में.
नहीं सर, डर
When
तो नहीं.
weather is not good, फ्लाइट ऐसे सी होती है.
सर उसका एक्सपीरियंस हो गया है इतना 5 years हो गया.
मुझे तो आज भी डर लगता है फ्लाइट में बैठने में. जब ये वेदर खराब होता है फ्लाइट ऐसे सी होती है जब. इतना साल हो गए आज भी डर लगता है, लेकिन जब फ्लाइट ऐसे से होती है.
अगर हम लोग डरेंगे तो फिर क्या होगा सर, और धक्का. हम लोग डर नहीं
वो तो
सकते.
है, लेकिन मतलब रीजन, आई मीन थोड़ा डर तो लगता है, अभी भी डर लगता है, पर रीजन पता है उसके बाद भी डर लगता है. But it's good to see you here. Thank you, Riya, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next we have Sabaj हो गया. Shivnayan.
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. My name is Shunan. I have done my BSc Physics in 2019. Then I done post-graduation diploma in cybersecurity. Then I prepared for the government exam. Unfortunately, I didn't pass in that government exam. So I need to get the job. So I am coming to this cybersecurity field, sir.
Okay. Which branch you have done engineering?
No, sir. I have done BSc Physics.
BSc Physics. BSc Physics. Okay, good.
And then post-graduation diploma in cybersecurity from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapeeth.
अच्छा. Cyber security you have done.
Pune.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Shivnayan, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next we have after that Sri AD.
Yeah, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes. What does it mean? Name? Sri
Lakshmi Ashwin Dinesh it is.
Okay. Can you turn your camera? We can't see you.
Yeah.
I think you have some issue in the.
No.
What's your full name? Sri
Sir,
Lakshmi?
Ashwin Dinesh.
Acha, Ashwin Dinesh. Okay, big name, and that's the reason. Okay.
Sir,
Go ahead.
I'm from Kerala, but right now I'm in Canada. I migrated with my husband. Done my master's in cyber forensics and information security from SIDAC, Trivandrum in Kerala. So after that, I was working with CDAC for digital crime investigation and all those stuff. Basically in forensics, and then I got campus placement and moved into Saint Gobain, and I was in Qualys team for vulnerability scanning. So as you already mentioned in one of your, I'm sorry.
You're very
Actually,
good.
I could not sleep by the time the class starts, but we did not sleep.
Okay. Okay, great.
So I was working with Qualys team, so I wanted to move into Splunk. That's how I.
Who has recommended you? Who has recommended you? What your name you are giving?
Actually, I was working in Qualys team for 5 years. I was working in Qualys for 5 years, so that's how I wanted to move to Spain. And I saw your videos in YouTube, so that's how I
Okay.
we spoke in LinkedIn once, so that's why I wanted to.
Okay, you did cybersecurity diploma from CDAC Trivandrum, right? Kerala, Trivandrum. I was there in Trivandrum in 2019. I delivered training to professors in CDAC in 2019. I was there. CDAC Trivandrum. It was very difficult for me to find the vegetarian food. In CDAC Trivandrum, there's this one outside the cafeteria, big cafeteria, but you won't see a single restaurant for vegetarian food. It was very difficult. It was 5 days training for Oxide. I deliver for CDAC.
I went to became in 2019, so I passed out in 2018.
I was there in 2019 for Oxide training.
Oh, okay. Great.
Thank you, Sri, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, thank you. You had a cute.
Oh, sorry, I was on mute. Thank you, sir, for the session too. And looking forward for the 3 months training. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, actually a great moment. I have to leave, sir, because my thoughts will be coming.
Okay, thank you. Next we have, who is next? Sudeep. Sudeep, go ahead.
Hi, Sulabh sir.
Please go ahead, Sudeep.
Myself Sudeep, and I belong to Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'm currently staying in Bangalore. So in total, I have 7 years of experience in B2C and B2B sales. Currently, I'm working into sales. And the primary reason for me to looking forward for a switch in cybersecurity is somewhere down the line, you know how tough it is to have a work-life balance in sales. So, like, I always wanted to move into an IT role since I have many friends and colleagues who are into IT. But somewhere down the line, I like development, testing. These were not my like I never had this taste towards these fields. So cybersecurity is something that was exciting and it has many opportunities in the coming days. And one of your older alumni referred me, and that is how I came up here. I did some research and found out that this is a very interesting field.
Okay, great to see you here. As you mentioned sales, right? You're never settled in sales. You never get settled. When you're working in a sales, you never get settled. Always you have sales pressure. Every day, every month is a new month for you.
Correct.
You might be achiever. You might have gone best sales, best employee, best best. What do you get award? Best performance award, performer award for quarter, right? And new quarter is completely new for you. One quarter, if you do not perform, 1 month, if you do not perform, maybe next quarter you might be out of your company.
Correct. You're always on your toes.
Always, always new month is new, completely new for you. Always you will be under pressure all the time. So work-life balance is definitely not good because always there will be new target. This target you will achieve next month, new quarter, new year, there will be new target. So
yes,
I understand your pain.
Looking forward to this training and positively.
Definitely, I'm telling you, if you come in cybersecurity, all pain will be gone, and you realize that what kind of job I was doing. I'm telling you because I have gone through this pain, and I realize I understand this.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Sudeep, for joining. Next is who is next? Suraj Kumar. Go ahead, Suraj.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
My name is Suraj. I am from Karnataka.
Go ahead, Suraj.
I am from civil background, civil engineer.
Civil engineer. You are also civil engineer.
Yes, I
So,
have 3.5 year experience.
how many years?
3.5.
3.5 years.
Yes.
Okay. Currently working or not working?
Not working, sir. Last month only I quit the job.
Oh, last month you dropped the job. Why you left the job before getting the job?
Okay, I wanted to move in the cyber security, so I just closed that one, so I can concentrate on this one, only on this part.
Okay, great. So you are not having any financial dependency, right? Family dependency, responsibilities.
Right now I don't have. I have brothers, 2 brothers, so they can look after them.
Okay, great. Thank you for joining. Your
Thanks.
name is Suraj. Thank you, Suraj, for joining.
Thanks.
Next we have Tay. T-A-Y-E, Tay. Please go ahead, if you can hear me.
Yeah, for some reason I can't turn out my video. It says also stop there.
I think your video in mute. Try to start now.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good morning. My name is Taiwo. I'm from Nigeria. Currently, I live in the United States, Ohio, to be precise. I have my first degree in microbiology, but professionally, I work in the bank as a AML analyst. That's anti-money laundering analyst. Looking to pivot into cybersecurity because it offers more reward, and also I just see a lot of remote jobs out there too, so that flexibility would be nice as well. So yeah, I'm just looking to develop, to keep developing myself, add more skills under my belt. So more a lot of family that depends on you while you stay abroad. So hopefully, I can take care of my own and then get more reward, like I said. Yeah.
Right. Great to see you here. Thank you, Tay, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
What is the time there?
It's 12:10 a.m. in the morning.
12:30.
12:10.
12:10.
Yeah.
PM.
10 after 12. Yeah, a.m. 12 a.m. in the morning.
12
So
a.m.
you guys are like 12 hours ahead of us. So
12 a.m. in the sense you are in night.
Yeah.
Night it is. Okay. 12.
Yeah.
Thank you, Tay, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Currently in Nigeria or USA?
I'm in Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Moved to the United States 2016.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining. Next we have Tejaswi. Please go ahead. Tejaswi KS. Voice. I think you are on mute. Go ahead. Remove your mic. I think you have mic problem. Plug out also. Go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Good.
Myself Tejaswi Bhosle. I just completed my BE Computer Science from Kashibai Nole College, Pune itself.
Okay.
Right now, I'm searching for a job, and currently, cybersecurity is highly demanding. That's why I'm joining this class.
Okay. You have laptop, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Monday onwards, you join from laptop.
Yes, sir.
We'll see you on Monday. Thank you, Tejaswi, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we have Vaishnavi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm Vaishnavi from Karnataka, and I'm graduated in 2023 from Electronics and Instrumentation branch.
Okay.
So the main objective of the SOC analyst is because of the less coding and also for to ensure in that how to detect the threats and all.
Okay. Which graduation, what you have done?
Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering.
Electronics instrument. Which year?
2023, sir.
20?
I graduated in 2023.
2023. Achha, recently only.
Yes, sir.
Recently only. Okay, okay. Great to know that. Now you want to start your career in cybersecurity.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you, Vaishnavi, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, next, Vishnu. Vishnu, go ahead.
Yeah, sir. This is Vishnu. I have completed my B Mechanical Engineering graduated around 2020. And then got selected in Wipro. I've been working 2 years in Wipro in the SOC analyst role. I worked in QRadar and currently I'm working in Sentinel. And I want to get the basic strong.
Okay,
so I joined this course. Yeah.
Okay, great. Because you directly started that role, that you not have got the proper training. Oh, it happens because company nobody gives the proper training, proper fundamental. They directly deploy you. They will give some basic work. You keep doing the same thing.
Yeah, I'm just doing copy pasting job.
That's why people
I don't know what to do with
6 years. People spend many years and their fundamentals are not clear. They're not able to speak properly in front of people because their foundation is not clear. Foundation is not strong. That's very important. You are in good place in this case, in that case.
Yeah, it also lowers my self-confidence in speaking among
of course, because
others.
Doing the job, daily, see, एक कहावत थी ना, एक हिंदी में एक कहावत है कि शिकारी जंगल में आता जाल फैलाता, जाल में नहीं फंसना चाहिए. मतलब यार रटने का काम तो कोई भी कर सकता है. Anybody, if you explain to something, anybody can do the task. But why we are doing, how we are doing, that is important. Why we are doing, that is much important. How we are doing, anybody can understand. If you tell the same thing again and again to any uneducated people also, after many attempts, he can also complete it. But why we are doing, if we do certain kind of changes, right, what will be the impact? That is most important, right? And that will come once you understand the fundamentals. Once we understand the logic, technology behind it. That's most important.
Yes, that's why I'm.
How that is where you are lagging, and most of the people are lagging who just start and they do not have their fundamental proper training. They do not get the proper training. Thank you, Vishnu, for joining.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Almost people are done, right? Anybody left online? Anybody who is not done online? Done, right? I have some people here. You can see 4 people. We have a strength of 30 people can sit here. But since we are running this training from a small place, so we have almost 4 people, right? How many people? 4. We start it here. पकड़े रहो, ऐसे पकड़े रहो. हाँ, पकड़ के ही बोलो. बैठे कोई दिक्कत, कंफर्टेबल, बी कंफर्टेबल, कोई समस्या नहीं है.
My name is Shravan Gupta. In graduate.
People, you can hear him, right? You guys can hear him?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can hear.
Right.
Yes. My name is Shravan Gupta. I'm BCom 2020. I live in Jabalpur.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
I have a job in marketing in 3 years, automobile sector.
Automobile sector. Okay. Which company?
Sir, TVS.
TVS company. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you're working or not working?
Okay, sir.
Working right now?
Yes.
Good. What's your job timing?
Sir, 11 a.m.
11. Okay, little delayed today.
Yes, sir.
Next time and what? Monday and what? 8 to 10.
Okay, sir.
Thank you for joining. Your name is?
Shravan.
Shravan Gupta. हाँ.
Sir, my name is Shubham Sahu.
थोड़ा ऊपर कर लो. हाँ. ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं, इतना भी चलता है ये. हाँ.
Sir, I am working for HDFC Bank finance sector. 3 months. I living
3 months, just 3 months.
Yes,
okay.
I living for Jabalpur.
Okay. In graduation, what you have done?
Sir, graduation 2020 BCom.
BCom 2020, same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you want to switch your job to cyber security.
Yes, sir.
Great to know that. Thank you, Som, for joining.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepak Rajput. I am from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my BE from CS Computer Science Engineering in 2015. And I am past year I'm preparing for government exam, and I joined this course.
Which year pass out? 2015.
Yes, sir.
Which branch?
CS.
Computer Science. Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you,
Deepak,
sir.
right? Deepak for joining. Next.
Hello, sir, and hello, everyone. Myself, Harsh Pandey. I'm from Katni, MP, and I'm running my graduation. This is my last year. And why I'm choosing cybersecurity as a career? Because I'm preparing government job, and there
I
is
am
a
preparing government job. I was thinking to prepare for the government exam because now, I mean, since how long you are preparing?
it's a 2
Right
months
now you're preparing or since 2
in
months?
2 months.
Acha.
And I'm just quit because there is a lots of competition, and salary is low. And salaries are low, so my mamaji was suggest me there is also a student of same expert, and right now he's doing very well and get a job. So they just suggest me, and I'm searching that, and I'm interested, so I'm here. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
great, great. Thank you. Your name is?
Harsh Pandey.
Thank you, Harsh, for joining. So, guys, everyone, thank you for joining today's session. So, today's session mostly for the introductions, right? Now we'll connect on Monday. So, Monday we'll start with the basic networking and security concept. So, 2 week session will go for basic networking security. Then we'll start with the Splunk, right? Most important. We'll be starting from scratch, so no need to worry about that. You understand? People are coming from different background, BA, BCom, BA. I think BA कोई नहीं है इस बार है ना? We don't have BA people, BCom people we have. Coming from different background, civil, mechanical, electrical, BCom, right? Mixed people will start from scratch. What is IP address, right? From scratch, we are going to cover it here, and then we'll cover with the advanced concept, right? So stay tuned. Just follow me for 3 months. Follow the homework, right? We'll be back on Monday at the same time, 8 o'clock. Okay, thank you for joining. We'll share the today's link on the group.
Thank you, Sulabh. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, thank you. We'll see you on Monday, 8 o'clock.
Thank you,
Thank
Sulabh.
you, everyone. Thank you, Sulabh.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
नया YouTube चैनल बनाया, उसमें हिंदी में बात करेंगे.